How to use Uber One membership benefits? Well, to use Uber One membership benefits, you can simply look for the gold Uber One icon next to restaurants or names in Uber Eats application. So if you're using a Uber Eats application, right, then what you can do is you can simply proceed to open up Uber Eats. Now, first, in order to use the membership itself, you'll need to have the membership, right? So make sure that you have the membership. So you can head into your profile and you can see try Uber One. Now, for the first time user, you'll get offer generally, so you can choose the Uber One here, tap on continue and go through it, and you'll be able to earn up to 10% credit on tips, $0 delivery fee, extra savings, and exclusive perks as well. So you can maximize your membership benefits by shopping from the shoppers along with the gold Uber icon, where you can enjoy a dollar delivery fee. You can also book eligible Uber rides to earn Uber One credits. You can travel internationally and use your Uber One benefits as well. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.